guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a few kits to show. This stash is kind of small, but another one of those mystery packages showed up where it's like, I don't know what's in it, and the guy asked me to open it on camera. Could be bad, could be good. More than likely it's going to be good. I shook it around. I can hear some like plastic parts, so it's probably going to be a great mystery package. I love those. Mr. Paul Olson is the one who sent it, and he sent me one just recently, and he said, I got another one coming for you, Matthew. Just opened it on camera. So he wants to see my surprise, so I'm going to be overly excited, Paul. No, I'm just joking. It will be exciting. It's a model kit, and it was a gift from a friend, so thank you very much. All right, first of all, I'm looking. Oh, sorry. My friend, I don't want to like show any of the writing, but my friend David Carranza. My friend David Carranza sends me regularly a letter. Thank you, David. David's out in Arizona. Very encouraging to me. I love to see the. I love it when they come in. I love it when the to read your letters. It's wonderful to know that someone still knows how to write a letter. You know, it's not like you have to get on there and type it out and figure out how to email and all those things. David, he does know how to do those things, by the way. He can even text. David and I have texted before, but anyway, thank you for that, David. Another one, Ruane Crummett. I think I probably butchered both of your names, Ruane. He contacted me recently. He said, "Hey Matthew, I saw that 1/43 scale 4840 of yours, and you were missing the base. It comes with a case." He said, "You're missing the base." He says, "I think I have one that would fit it." And Ruane, I really appreciate you. He sent me this. Look at this. Here's the bottom of the case that was missing on this kit. So here's the kits. They're cool. They fit right. Everything's in there. And the base, there it is. It fits, buddy. Thank you so much for that. Now I'll put that in the box with it, and knowing that all I'm missing now is like the rear bumper, and which was a lot less obvious than the bottom of the case, because you can paint that. You go back and watch that video where I unboxed this little guy. Me and Heather did that, actually. Ruane, thank you for thinking of me. Thank you for sending that to me. I greatly appreciate it. Got a couple of eBay buys that I've got here. One of them you've seen before on here, not this exact one. But I saw another one the other day, and I said, dang, that's a good price. Now, the box looks hideous. But this Monogram 124/57 Chevy hardtop. I saw this kit, and I already have, so initially how this got started, I bought one, didn't realize it was missing the tires and wheels. A friend sent, I can't remember who sent it right off. Well, actually, it was Scale, your name's not Scale Speedworks. I'm pretty sure Model Car Garage. I forget your name, but you sent me another kit that had the missing parts. And then I saw this one the other day, and this one was complete. So this is another cool kit. Like I say, the box is trashed, but I thought, man, make a cool Pro Street, or even just built straight out of the box. But it's a Monogram kit, and those things are so good. I love Monogram kits too. They build up real nice. Crazy 1/24 scale, but that's okay. So I got another one of these to play with, and the box is so bad I probably would just build this one. All right, and another classic eBay kit that I got also from Monogram was this metal and plastic 53 Corvette. I already have one of these, so guess what that means? That means I can build one now. So this kit is from this, I forgot to say, the 57 Chevy kit is like from 1991, and this metal kit, box is heavy, is from, I believe it's copyright 1977. So this one's got some age. I'm going to do an unboxing on this kit. I can't wait to build one because it's very unique, because the body's metal and everything else is plastic. So all of your parts, it's still a regular model kit. It's not anything different than a regular model kit, except the body is made from metal. It has an opening hood, and it's metal as well. And it, hear that? It's It's got some weight to it, but it's a cool car, cool kit. I'm not, there's the date, I didn't see it on the box. I'm not a huge Corvette fan, but I do like the early Corvettes. 53 is the first year Corvette was produced, and it was not even like a sports car. Well, it was a sports car, but it wasn't like a Speed Demon. Had an old 6-cylinder in it, but I'm sure for its time it was pretty quick. But anyway, 53 Corvette, die cast metal and plastic by Monogram. Very cool. And before we get to the package, I don't know what's in it. I really don't have any idea what's in it. I've got the super cool kit. Let me show you this. My bud Tony Lancer, I mentioned on the last haul, is my hookup for IMC apparently. He found this one for me, and little pricey where he got it from. Factory sealed, absolutely immaculate condition GT40. I think this is from 1966 if I'm not mistaken. And I know you guys would love for me to open it up and check it out. I don't know. I'd love to open it up and check it out too, to be honest with you. Give me some time. Just bear with me, people. Bear with me. I'm trying to work through my problems. Okay. If they had a 12-step program for weirdos like me not wanting to open up plastic off models, I'd probably have to attend it, and maybe I could break this not addiction but phobia that I have. But what a cool kit to go along with my other recent IMC editions. That is an awesome car. Yeah, these aren't cheap. These are not cheap, I can promise you that, especially when they're in factory sealed and perfect condition. All right, thank you, Tony. He goes to this hobby shop that is about to close down, and they have an awesome inventory of old kits, and he very frequently texts me or messages me and says, hey, are you interested? All right, so here we go. Here's what everybody wanted to see. I want to see. I ain't got a clue what's in this thing. Paul says open on camera. Yes, sir. Right there it says open on camera. Paul lives down in Florida. Thank you, Paul. Well, let's just open it up. I have not opened this. Some people may think that I've opened the bottom of the box. I have not. It's still just as sealed as it ever was. Ain't got a clue what's in here. If it's bad, you'll never see this video. If it's good, well, that means it was good because you're watching it, right? Okay. Nicely packaged. Took 2 priority mailboxes. I hope they didn't charge you for the double shipping. Okay, here we go. Ain't got a clue. Haven't looked yet. Here's the fun part. Okay, well, opened it upside down. Ooh. 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 Awesome. All right, there's 2 more in there. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Paul Olson, believe it or not, I have so many times had my eye on a Skyline by Tamiya, and I've not bought one. And look what he did for me. He took it out of the plastic. Tamiya Skyline GTR. Wow, brings back memories too with Gran Turismo with PlayStation 1, driving these things around. That's been a long time ago. 124 scale Nissan Skyline GTR. These things were bad to the bone. This right-hand drive Japanese kit. It does have, it looks like it's not a curbside because it does show an engine. So I can't wait to build this. I really can't. No joke. This has got me excited. I like this. Thank you so much, Paul, for that. Dang, that is awesome. Tamiya. All right, here's 2 more that are upside down. All right, so let's take out. Oh my goodness, check this out. Okay, so I don't know how to pronounce this, but I built that Challenger. Ari, I think is how you pronounce it. This is a logger truck. Won't you look at that? Man, this dude came from overseas. It even looks like the sticker is that yen? 150 yen for this thing? Did it come from Japan? Is that the symbol for yen? Holy cow, man, this is cool. I'm not going to open it. I have to do an unboxing on this thing. Holy moly. So neat, Paul. Thank you, man. I can't wait to take a look at that. I don't know what scale it is. It's probably like 1/35th, 1/43rd or something. If I could read Japanese, I could tell you all about it, but I can't. And I don't see any numbers except kit number 150 by Ari. Or however, I know somebody's going to correct me probably, but Ari. Dang, man. That is too stinking cool. Alright, here's another one. It's a thin box too. Oh, no, it's not. Look at this. It's another one. It's the mixer truck. So a concrete mixer. That one also has that. This is obviously dollars, but this one has that same sticker. See that green? Looks like a book. You can see the green sticking out from the edge, like a Japanese price tag or something. That is something else. Wow, I can't wait to open these and check them out and do an unboxing. I'll do them together. But that is a right-hand drive. They really proportioned the steering wheel great on that picture. Look at that. That thing is huge. The other one is the same way. It's like dude's got a big old steering wheel to hang on to. Paul, you don't know how much I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for these. Thanks for the 2 little truck kits, the Tamiya Skyline that I've wanted for a long time. Thanks Tony for the GT40. Thanks eBay for these 2 kits. Thanks to David Carranza for always riding me, and Ruane for sending me that bottom of that the bottom of the display case from a little 48 Ford 43rd scale. Gosh, this was an awesome little haul. Thank you so much. I am so shocked for these 3. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video and watching me be excited on camera to come to find out what these were. So cool, man. I'm ecstatic right now. Can't wait to get into them and check them out. If you hadn't already, guys, I would if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscription button. Also, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please like it. It helps me out. Go check out the Facebook group, Model Car Videos Facebook group, linked right down below this video, along with Hobby Nut models. I've seen one of these on Hobby Nut. Might have been the silver one. I know Mark had a silver Skyline. I bought it several times. Go check out hobbynutmodels.com, linked right down in the description. Go check it out. Grab you some great MCW paint, supplies, model kits, whatever you need to build a great model. So over there at Hobby Nut Models Teespring store or Spring store. Also linked in the description. Go grab yourself a Model Car Videos t-shirt, coffee mug, sticker, whatever you may like over there. And you Patreon guys, thank you for your support. I appreciate my Patreon members. The live stream was an absolute blast that we had recently. I encourage you, if you haven't already joined Patreon, linked in the description below, go click on it. It's a $5 a month membership. You can give what you want, but $5, and you can be in on the live streams. We do private live streams, not on YouTube, but private live streams where we just get together and just talk mainly models. One of the talkers on there is Tony Lancer. He had a list of topics we could talk about last time, and it went really well. So thank you, Tony. Anyway, hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to get these all put up and might do an unboxing video on these. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.